In a world made of concrete, one company stands alone while all the others crumble. Who are you?
We're Fabcon.
First plant was opened up in July 1971 in Minnesota. There are 5 plants altogether. The PA plant was opened in 2000, so we've been here 21 years.
If you build it, they will come.
We manufacture precast wall panels for distribution centers, shopping centers. Many warehouses around here are precast wall panels. More than likely, they were produced out of this plant.
That's like any Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. Like, we make the walls for those buildings.
To infinity and beyond.
And we do a lot of innovation around the plant here. We've come a long way. We've used to lay out everything with tape measures and now they have laser systems and everything that does layout for them.
It's called a VersaCore wall panel. We use foam billets inside the panels to provide extra insulation.
You're gonna need a bigger wall.
They asked for wider panels so we wouldn't have as many panel joints. So we expanded our production here and we can make panels 13'6" wide.
Never go against the family.
Look at them as family. So we have a very close-knit group here and it's just a good environment.
The camaraderie, the people you work with, is the best part of the job. It's like a team atmosphere, exactly.
Whatever it takes.
Being willing to learn. There's plenty of chances for advancement.
I have a high school diploma. If you come to work and you're willing to put the work in, you can do what you would like to do.
I was the first employee hired at this place 20 years ago, and I was just a kid with common sense, good work ethic.